Hey guys, welcome to Jaggist Reviews. This is Jaggist, and I finally got my hands on a Boombox 3 JBL, so I'm super stoked about that. We're gonna do a lot of testing it against other speakers. I have a ton of speakers to test it up against, but let's do a little unboxing first. So this is Boombox 3. I just got the standard black version. Let's see here. Looks like we got 24 hours playback time, but I hear like real world use is like, I don't know, maybe 8 hours. I'll test it out though and see. It's IPX67, water and dust proof. Got a power bank so you can charge your phones and electronic devices, JBL Party Boost, so I can connect that with my JBL Extreme 3, which we will test out. And it's there to listen. We got Bluetooth 5.3. Alright. Got this brand new, so let's see what is in the box. If I can get it open, let's see. Grab hate these sticky things. Alright, 1 and 2. Alright. Okay, so it's this massive sound all day long. And we've got sturdy piece of cardboard. That's it, just a big freaking piece of cardboard. Doesn't look like it opens or anything. Set that over on my bed. Nice. So here is the Boombox. I'm gonna set that there for a second. Grab the rest of the stuff out of the box. And some more cardboard things. That's all that's in the box. And so let's see, you got, looks like quick start guide, all your books and stuff, standard. And you just got a regular power cord. Cool. Awesome. Alright, and let's go ahead and test this out. Set this all over to the side for now. Alright, so this is cool. It's like a fabric case for it. Oh yeah. And this looks sweet. Super clean. Nice passive radiators. And then, so on the back. Alright, let's hold that for a second. Alright, so we're going to take a closer look. Looks like we got power on, Bluetooth, up and down for volumes, play and pause. And then this is what I'm going to use to do the party boost when I want to connect it to JBL Extreme or any of the newer JBL products. And then, alright, and on the back we have our power. And then it looks like an aux in and then USB. So that'll be to charge your phones and all of that. All right. And we'll do some sound samples and then we'll see where we go from there. And then also, so I've got the W King T11, UE Hyper Boom, Tribit, Stormbox Blast. I've got the Sony SRS XG500. I got the AWA Exos 9. Down below that is like the Bravin XXL, some Harman Kardon, Onyx Studio 6s, regular Soundcore, Partycast, I think. Anywho, and then I've got my JBL Extreme. So we'll do some tests and stuff like that. Let me know what you guys want to see, and we will do it. Alright guys, so we're gonna do some sound samples real quick on the JBL Boombox 3. Right out of the box, no EQ, no update or anything yet. Let's just see how it sounds, and then we will update, do EQs, all that kind of stuff, and some speaker battles after. Wait, let's see how it sounds. Do this. I just wanna make you mine. I just wanna make you mine. I just wanna make you mine. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you. I just wanna make you. Way good though, the bass is shaking everything in here. Definitely more deep bass than the Boombox 2. Alright guys, so that is going to conclude the sound test. Honestly, sounds great right out of the box. That highs are a little bit ear piercing, which is kind of standard for JBL for some reason, so I'm excited to get in the EQ and mess around with that a little bit. But the bass is awesome. I mean, you can feel it in your chest. I think it's better than probably any of the other speakers I have in that compartment, but we'll have to test it out and see how it all goes. Anyways, thanks for checking in with me and checking out this new video with this JBL Boombox 3. You guys have a great day, and let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want to see, and we will do it.